Hi, my name is Jonathan Peralta.
And I'm Lynde Peralta.
We live in Rancho Cucamonga.
The reason we did solar was the increasing cost of our electric bill. In the winter, it was $300-400, and in the summertime, it would go extremely high, about $500 or $600. The job was fantastic. Once it was scheduled, it was completed within a week. There were very professional, very courteous, very clean, and there were no complaints. All throughout the process, they kept us informed. They continued to update us if there was any problems, but normally there wasn't really any, and they answered all of our questions.
It's good to know that we have this warranty for 25 years. It gives us a sense of security that we needed, that we have no qualms or problems whatsoever with it. It's just really safe to know that we are being taken care of for the next 25 years.
Everything was completely done professionally. We are enjoying our low electric bill, which was $13 the first month. So we are ecstatic. Thank you very, very much.